particular running trade. It's still in profit, but it's not yet to the target. So I used the daily time frame, right? As you can see, yesterday's close happened around this particular region, right? And the high was the highest point of yesterday was just here, right? Then I switched to the 4 hour time frame after marking that out. Then I'm gonna take this one off. As you can see, this is the point where the market closed. This is the lowest point of yesterday's market, right? Then immediately I saw that, because I know that the market is still bearish, because this is the last candle that closed yesterday, just here, right? And if you watch, it broke below this particular V-shape key level, right? Then after I saw that, I switched over to the 15 minutes time frame, right? I switched over to the 15 minutes time frame. Let me mark out the highest point of this particular closing candle for yesterday. Yes, so that was it. Then I switched over to the 15 minutes time frame. And what am I looking for? I'm either looking for a sweep or an engulfing, right? That's what I was looking for. Now, if you watch, let me take this off. If you watch, you will see something. You will see a sweep. The market came up after the close of the market to the new day. The market came up and swept this particular A-shaped key level, right, that high, and also it tapped into a bearish engulfing, right? So that was a double confirmation for me, right? So bearish engulfing and also a sweep of a particular A-shaped key level. And what did I do? I came and I placed my entry just at the close of that candle that swept that particular engulfing and also the A-shaped key level. I did that. Then also, what was my target? I targeted the next logical key level, and which is this incoming A-shaped key level, and that's where the market is gyrating towards the V-shape here. That's where market is currently gyrating towards to. But if I see that the market is kind of getting tired around this particular A shape, then I'll close. Else I'll write it down to this V-shaped key level. So that was how I formed this bias, and as you can see, it's still a running trade. It's total of 13 RR, but yeah, that's how I framed this bias from the daily to the 15 minutes time frame using two confluences, which is the A-shaped key level and also the engulfing candle.